Solution of brothers' conflict. Once in village lived two brothers who used to live on adjoining farms for the last 40 years. For all these years they lived happily side by side farming, sharing machinery, and trading labor and goods as per need. Once they both got into conflict, which started with a small misunderstanding and grew into major difference between them. Their collaboration fell apart. It grew so serious that both started to use bitter words for each other, and this ended with silence between them. Both stopped just any kind of communication between them. One day someone knocked on elder brother Jamie's door. When he opened the door, he found a person with carpenter's toolbox. Person said to Jamie, "I am looking for some work. Perhaps you would have some small jobs. If you have any small job, maybe I can help you do it." Older brother thought for a while and said, "Yes, I do have job for you." He pointed toward the creek in the farm and said, "That's my neighbor, my younger brother. Last week there was a meadow, but he took his bulldozer, and now there is creek between us. Now I want you to build a fence so that I don't have to see his place anymore." Carpenter agreed and said, "I think I understand. Please help me nails and other things I need so that I will be able to do a job that please you." Older brother had to go to town for some work, so he helped Carpenter to get material ready and complete work till he come back from town. After sunset, when older brother returned, but there was no fence, but he could see a bridge stretching from one side to another of creek. It was beautiful bridge. A fine piece of work handrail, and older brother's neighbor was coming across, his hand outstretched. Younger brother said to his older brother, "After all I have said and done, you still build this bridge." Both stood at each end, and then they both met in middle, taking each other's hand. As soon as they turned to see Carpenter, he waved at them. Seeing him leaving, both shouted, "No, wait, we have lots more work for you. Please stay." Carpenter replied, "I would love to stay, but I have many more bridges to build." Moral: we fight over small things and these become big with time. Instead of making conflicts big, we should look for solutions. Sometimes we just need a new outlook and understand what's more important. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for learning English fluently.